A very good day, RP2 Doctor. My name is Paveethra Shuraish with the metric number of S50928, and today hereby I am going to present about pyrolysis. What is pyrolysis? Pyrolysis is coined from the Greek word pyro, which means fire, and lysis, which means separating. The definition for pyrolysis is thermochemical decomposition of biomass in limited supply of oxidizing agent that does not permit gasification at high temperature. It simultaneously involves the change of physical phase and chemical composition. Moving on to the design of this technology. Steps are involved in pyrolysis have 5 steps. The first step would be pre-treatment of biomass. The second steps will be pyrolysis reaction. The third step is char collection. Fourth will be the quench system, and the last step would be bio-oil storage. The first step would be pre-treatment. Pre-treated biomass will enter the pyrolysis reactor, which consists of very low level of oxygen. Here, a heat is supplied by a combustion chamber. As the degradation occurs, decomposed materials will leave the reactor to a cyclotron. As a rotation of the gases takes place, biochar will reach the bottom of the cyclotron. After, the remaining gas stream along a few liquids will leave from the top to a quencher. Water from a nozzle will feed the quencher to combine gas stream along with water. This will result in forming bio-oil. Synth gases that were not soluble can be recycled back to the combustion chamber. Moving on to the 5 important key operations in pyrolysis. The first one would be temperature. To optimize the product yield, controlling the temperature profile is one of the most important factors in pyrolysis. Low temperature results in greater amount of char, and high temperature results in less amount of char. Moving on to the residence time. Residence time can be controlled by changing the rotation speed that transports materials along the reactor, as it influences the degree of thermal conversion and composition of vapors. The third one would be reactor. Reactor determines the product distribution qualitatively and quantitatively, and removing unwanted gases will allow combustion to occur when it comes to reactor. Fourth one would be particle size. Particle size must be diced to reduce the moisture content that will enhance the maximum efficiency of the biomass. The last key operation would be quench system. Rapid quenching or cooling of the vapor can produce good quality of bio-oil in fast pyrolysis. At the same time, it prevents further degradation, cleavage, or reaction with other molecules. End products of pyrolysis contains gas as syngas, liquid as bio-oil, and solid as black carbon, or known as biochar. Syngas is called synthesis gas that is a mixture of molecules containing hydrogen, methane, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, water vapors, as well as hydrocarbons and condensable compounds. On the other hand, biochar can increase the available nutrients for plant growth, water retention, and reduce the amount of fertilizer by preventing the leaching of nutrients out of the soil. It can be utilized in many other applications as a replacement for other biomass energy systems. Bio-oil, which is known as pyrolysis oil, is a dark brown liquid that has a similar composition to biomass, and it has a much higher density than woody materials, which reduces storage and transport costs. Types of aquaculture waste which is suitable to be treated, and why. Examples of aquaculture waste is microalgae and fish waste. This is because pyrolysis acts as a biological carrier for maintaining the water quality, especially in ammonia removal in the aquaponics system, reducing the discharge of ammonia polluted water generated from aquaculture industry to the environment. One of the examples of pyrolysis used in aquaculture would be microwave pyrolysis. This is because biochar was produced from palm kernel shell via an innovative microwave pyrolysis technique combined with physical activation. Microwave pyrolysis biochar into aquaponics system results in improvement of water quality parameters and growth rate of catfish and also lettuce.